Assalamu alaikum my dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akhtar, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take an elementary science class for class 4 students. Dear students, our today's topic is chapter 6. Today we will discuss about broad question of this chapter. Let's see today's topic from here. Our today's topic is chapter 6, broad question 1 and 2, and this is lecture number 17, and our today's HW number is 13 number HW. So dear students, let's start the class. You can see I have written here 2 broad question and answers. Here is broad question 1. Question is here: everything is made up of matter. There are some properties of matter. Explain the definition of matter. Answer is here: anything that has weight and take up space is called matter. Matter has different properties. Weight, volume, size and shape are properties of matter. Solid matter has its own definite shape. Liquid and gaseous matter do not have own definite shape. Matter takes up space. The amount of space that matter takes up is called volume. Matter has weight. All of matters have volume and weight. Dear students, now come to here. This is broad question 2 number. Question is here: we cannot see air, but air is around us. How can we prove that air is a matter through experiments? Answer is here: we can prove that air is a matter through the following experiment. Experiment here is 1 number point here is: prepare a beam balance, 2 balloons and a sharp needle. 2 number point: blow up the 2 balloons until they are of equal size and tie them off. 3 number point: attach each of the balloons to each end of the balance. 4 number point: make the beam balance perfectly horizontal. 5 number point: when we prick one of the balloon with a needle, the balance will tilt towards an inflated balloon. Look at here. For this answer, you have to draw this picture. Here is balance. This is beam balance. This one is needle, and here is 2 balloon. And when we prick one balloon, it will look like this figure. Here is balance, deflated. This one is deflated balloon, and this one is inflated balloon. That's mean this beam balance tilt towards an inflated balloon. And here you have to write the figure name. Air has weight. For the from this experiment, we have come to know that air has weight. So dear students, it was our today's topic. Now HW students, our today's HW number is 13 number HW, and this HW is for our Eid vacation HW, and this HW will be broad question 1 and 2. Here is only 2 broad question of this chapter. It will be your HW, and your submission date of this HW will be 29/5/2021 date. This date, your submission date will be this date. So dear students, I have finished my today's topic. So dear students, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class. Till then, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.